The legend is back. But this is not just a restoration. Meet the Bugatti Veyron FKP Hommage. A 1600 horsepower beast that hides a $10 million secret inside. It's a one-off masterpiece that blends nostalgia with engineering madness. 20 years ago, the Veyron redefined speed with 1000 horsepower. The FKP Hommage takes it further. It is 50% more powerful. Under the hood lies the ultimate version of the W16 engine. This is the final, most powerful street-legal tribute to the quad-turbo era. Visually, it honors the 2003 concept. Red over silver base. Black tinted carbon fiber. But look closer. The interior replaces leather with custom woven fabrics from Paris. And the centerpiece? A mechanical Audemars Piguet Tourbillon clock. No digital screens here. Just timeless craftsmanship. The FKP Hommage is not a preview of the future. It is a glorious goodbye to a car that changed the world. Is this the ultimate Bugatti? Tell us in the comments.